Well, this is a paper trade example. The market is going nuts today, or actually, it's more stable, but it's been down the last 12 hours or so. But right now, it's in a no man's zone. What I can do is pull the chart up, and you see. As we can see from yesterday, it went up drastically and then dropped the last few minutes there. And then this is overnight, and this is into the morning. And this is the morning trading, this is the night trading. So from the morning trading, bam, it dropped. And then it dropped even more when the market opened at 6:30. And right now we're just in the no man's zone right now. You can see from yesterday, it's on yesterday's low right now. So what I'm going to do is just wait it out. And we see I reset my value today. It's the paper trade account this is the real Thinkorswim platform, and what I'm doing is just using fake money. But it's still some semi-real price action and real profits and all that. If it were the real money, but I usually practice about half the time, and then I do real money half the time. So right now, and what I did is I shorted the market last night, and I did a pretty good last night. I did 37,000 in profits last night, and that's just using fake money. But that was using about $30,000, so I've over doubled the money. But this is just a paper trade account. What I did is I shorted the futures, and I bought some 10 puts. So I bought 10 puts and made 22K. And I shorted the future and made 14K. But this is just simulated amounts. But if I were to have the real money, I would have made that. So this is what I did: is I resetted my balance again to paper trading. So what I'm going to do is look for an opportunity. Right now it's in a no man's zone right now. It's in a no man's zone because it's the previous day's low right there, right? So it's probably not going to go any lower, but what we can do is just for demonstration purposes, buy a ES put, no, buy an actual ES contract. So what I'm going to do is you can see that the amount of money you can make, but this is going to cost like $12,000 so if we buy it. Let me see here. If we buy one contract, it's 11,000. It says $11,000 buying. I'm going to send it. Here we got it. Okay. Here's the amount that I'm winning or losing on this particular trade only, and this is from the previous day. But so I just bought one ES contract for the current cycle. It cost here I just bought it right now at 8:40 a.m. and this was $11,000 about. Yeah. So it costs $11,000 to do this one trade. But this is just demonstrations purposes only. It's just me practicing, practicing. So what I'm gonna do is just see if this goes up a little bit. See, it just went down. I'm probably losing $100 right now. Let's see, yeah, 137. So that's how fast they can go. You can make $100, lose $100, but we'll watch this. And we're probably losing $200 now, but I just want to show this as a demonstration of how much money you can lose and how much money you can win. So, and right now we're probably in the losing category, $87. So we can just watch this, we can watch this, it's still on an uptrend right here, a mini uptrend there, so we would do a 5 minute. It's still an uptrend on a 5 minute chart. So I think there's a good chance it might keep going up to about right there. So let's just watch this. Right now it's been going down. On a 2 minute candle, it's going down 4 times in a row. Okay, here's a pop. Let's see if we got any money there. So we're up $275 on that trade. Let's close it out. Let's close it out as fast as we can. Come on. All right. Okay, let's do a tally here. Here it is, right here. We did about a 3 minute trade, and we made $243 on $11,000. That's how quick you can make money. So that's a day's pay for a lot of people. And I can just go home and go run, and then go do what I want today. All right, that's an example of what I'm doing, but on a smaller scale, because I'm not buying the actual. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But this much money is over my risk. So what I do is, instead of buying the actual physical contract, I actually go into the options and I buy on the same type of play. I could go up about 3 or 4 days, for about 6 or 7 days out, and then I would do the same kind of deal. But instead of buying the contract itself, I'd buy an option on the contract, and say I'd buy this, and I'd probably just buy one. How much one would cost? One would cost like 3,000. So, but we can do an example of buying the option too. Let's do that real quick. Let's do that real quick. So right now, in about 3 minutes, we made $243 profit, and I'll show you how much we can make just watching this thing real quick. See, it's still an uptrend, but right now it's in the no man's zone. So I'm gonna wait it out. This video has been 9 minutes, so I'm gonna make it another 5 minutes, a couple more minutes, and if it doesn't go down, see now it's right there, so there's a chance it's gonna pop back up to here and then go down. So let's wait till it gets about to right here. So it's right there now, so let's do a short. It's buy a put. It's buy put quickly. We have to do a quick put right here. Let's buy one of them. It's gonna cost $2,900 send. Okay, we got it. Here's the thing right here. Now let's see if this thing goes down. We want it to go down. Let's watch it. There it is. It went down. It went down. We're up 50 bucks. Let's see if it goes down any further. Let's wait. Let's wait another 30 seconds to a minute. It should go down or it should go up. But based on what I'm seeing, it probably will go up. Over $25 profit. I want to see this go down. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Okay. See, we can do that. Actually, I can put this. I could probably put this on another screen, make it easier. But we can just watch this too. We can just watch it separately. I want this to go down a little bit. See right there, it's on the no man's zone right now. It's weighted out. Our profit. Our target is probably $50 to $100, so we're making 62 right now. So let's just wait. Okay, it's going down. It's get out right now. It's get out right now. I'm gonna sell it out. I'm gonna sell it out. Sell quickly as possible. Okay. There it is. 337 profit. So I bought. There it is. I bought, sold, bought, sold. So I bought at 840 to 847. So 7 minutes, I made $337. So that's just an example of what I'm doing. I'm not always a winner, but I'm winning most of the time. All right. Have a good one. Bye.